to the up Southport line for reversal behind position light signal Mike Lima 1085. The signal protecting the exit from the wallside siding is position light signal Mike Lima 1092. The telephone provided at this signal is positioned in an area of limited clearance. Maximum speed 10 miles per hour. Ahead of the signal is a trap point. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. To your left is the marker for 3-car train reversal.